Hello, boys and girls, and our lovely parents that are on this journey with us. It's Miss Whitten, and I just wanted to make this quick video to show everybody how to check your grades and to check to see if your teacher left you any comments on any of your work submissions that you have submitted so far. So this, just a clarification, this is going to be a desktop view. So if you're working on an iPad, it might look a little different. So you would first just want to locate your links that look like this on your home screen. And you're going to hit the one that says grades. Now, once you hit the ones that says grades, it's going to come up with all of these different grades that are going to be. So now you can arrange them by different ones. So if you wanted to do by module to see if your how your child's doing based off of modules, then you can change it going this way, and it will show you by the different modules, and you can make that connection with on the other one based off the module that your child's working on. So for right now, this is the first module that your child's working on for week 1. So I'm going to look at here, and I see that this says Earth Explorer, and it gives me this. So that means that a teacher has not graded it yet. So if I come down here though, I see that for my observing Earth surface, I got 20 out of 20, and that's great. So if I look down here on my math problem set, it shows me that I got a 5 out of 5, which is awesome. And it gives me also 3 icons over here. So this icon right here with the text bubbles shows me if my teacher made any comments back to me. This is important because sometimes when we grade these, we want to show you how hard you're working and what a great job you're doing, but sometimes we might ask you to resubmit your work so that we can get a better understanding. So for instance, I'm using Aiden's profile to show you guys this. So for his math problem set, he got the comment, "Way to go, Aiden. I'm so glad that you included all the RDWs in your problems. Keep up the great work. Love, Miss Barentine." So he now is able to see that comment that Miss Barentine left for him. And then if we look over here, there's also this one that looks like a piece of paper on a clipboard. So I'm going to click that, and this is the rubric that the teachers use to grade if there's a rubric available. So parents and students, this shows you exactly where you got your points, or why you didn't get more points than you think you should have. So this is a great way to see how your student's doing and what the expectations are. And again, the comments will tell you how proud we are of you doing your great work, and it will also tell you if you need to resubmit. If you need to resubmit, then you would go back into the module, and you would resubmit the new work after making the corrections the teacher asked you to make. So I hope this helps you clarify some of these things. It's very important to look at these every single day to see what the teacher's graded so far, and to see if you need to make any resubmissions. If you have any questions, reach out to any of the teachers that are available. You guys have a great day.